In this week's Apple Pie, we look into the history of the straw. The first crude drinking straw recorded in history appeared in ancient Egypt around 1200 BC. These were made from hollowed out reeds, which weren't very practical. Later, they were made from glass tubes, which weren't very good when they fell on the floor. Marvin Stone first developed the modern drinking straw in 1888 when he wound strips of paper around a pencil and glued it all together. Stone made his straw 8.5 inches long, that's 212 millimeters, with a diameter just wide enough to prevent lemon seeds from getting stuck in the tube. However, since then, the types of straws have changed and improved dramatically and are now commonly made from plastic, which don't get soggy when you use them and are less easy to break. In short, a drinking straw is a device for transferring a liquid from one place to another. This will usually be a drink transferred from a drinking implement to the mouth. But how and why do they work? The straw works because we use our mouth to reduce the pressure in the straw. The liquid moves up the straw to replace this low pressure or vacuum. As with most things in science, things move from a high pressure to a low pressure. But straws can be used in quite a different way, where you don't suck, you blow. As the pupils blow through the top straw, it moves particles away from the top of the lower straw. This creates a vacuum. The vacuum sucks particles from the bottom of the straw to the top, therefore drawing paint from the beaker to the top of the straw and onto the paper. This process is called Bernoulli, after the scientist that discovered it. Personally, I prefer to use a straw for its normal use. Back to the studio. Gulp.